Come test drive the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, heated seats, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.